This one product can completely change your skin glow, but most people aren't using it, or they are using it all wrong. I'm talking about glycerin. It's been around for ages. Dermatologists swear by it. It costs less than $2 or 2,000 naira to get it. And at the end of today's video, you will know exactly what it is, what type to buy, every single benefit, how to use it, and how to mix it into any cream you already own.
Go girl.
Hi ladies and gents, because good skin has no gender. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today we are talking about glycerin, how to use glycerin to get a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. In fact, when you use this glycerin in your skincare routine, it's going to make your skin wrinkle free and scar free as well. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now, this little $2 bottle that you always walk past in every store is what we are talking about. Before we go further, I need to set something straight. Glycerin is not a lightening cream and is not a magic overnight fix. That being said, what exactly is glycerin? Well, glycerin is a hydration booster and it changes how your skin holds water, and that's exactly where the glow comes from. It's a thick, odorless liquid that helps to draw in water from the air and then lock it into your skin. This is actually one product that is going to help keep your skin well moisturized, hydrated, plump and glowing. That way, it's going to make your skin look radiant and brighten up on its own. It's not going to brighten or lighten your skin. No, it does not do that. See, if you're one of those people that is still chasing stronger tips that will lighten your skin and brighten up your skin, when the skin barrier underneath is already damaged, when you're applying a cream on your skin, is giving you a tingy feel or stinging your skin or feeling peppery, you need to understand that your skin barrier have been compromised, and that is where glycerin comes in. This is the foundation to fixing your skin barrier and having a plump, healthy, youthful, younger, glowing skin. With glycerin in your skincare routine, your skin is going to look so much younger, youthful, radiant, glowing, without any wrinkles and scars. Now, let's take a look at some of the benefits of glycerin, because I know a lot of you have been sleeping on glycerin because you do not know or understand the benefits and the function in a skincare routine. First of all, this is the most effective humectant for your skin. It's going to make your skin look softer, fuller, plump, healthy, radiant, scar-free, and glowing. Like the plump, the youthfulness you will experience with this little glycerin in your routine is life-changing, honestly speaking. Since I started using this, my skin have felt so much softer, so much smoother, tender. Even my palm feels so soft, because my palm used to be a bit hard, but now my palm basically feels soft, and that's because of this little product that you're seeing right here. If you're one of those people that battle with thinned out skin, or you're visibly seeing your veins, then you definitely need to incorporate glycerin into your skincare routine, because it's going to help you plump your skin and restore your skin's youthfulness. This is going to make your skin fuller. Glycerin to me does way better job than hyaluronic acid. See, if your skin feels sensitive, peppery, or your skin barrier have already been compromised, trust me when I say you need this little glycerin in your skincare routine. It's going to equally help smoothen your skin texture. So if you're someone with a rough skin, this is one product that will smoothen your skin texture. See, let me give you guys a quick backstory. When I started using this glycerin product, I actually started using it 2 months ago, but I started with a smaller container, the one with a red cap. And when I started with that one was too thick. If you apply a little of it on your skin, it's going to have this hot feel directly on your body. But when I started using this, I noticed that I can just like apply this one directly on my skin, because the texture is more liquid than the other one. The other one is way thicker than this. So when I started incorporating this into my routine. Guys, within the first 3 days of using it, my skin was already feeling smooth. Immediately I applied that before going to bed or something, I noticed that my skin feels so smooth and tender. And within 2 weeks of consistently incorporating glycerin into my skincare routine, ah, the texture of my skin felt so different. In fact, anybody that comes in contact with my skin would just be like, oh my god, your skin is so smooth. And I'm like, yeah, this is the secret to that smoother, beautiful, radiant skin that you have been looking for. Believe me when I say that this is going to change your skin for good. Is one secret product I got to know about through my mom, because she's always adding it into any body lotion or cream she's using. I've never seen someone's skin so soft and tender like hers. Okay, so that's exactly why I started using this, and I try to stay consistent with it so that I would definitely see the benefits of those products to the fullest before coming on here to put you guys on. See, this is also going to help speed up your skin healing. I had this needle patch, and honestly speaking, this is the third day or fourth day of going back to my lotion and then also using this in my skincare routine morning and night. It helps with skin healing. It just helps with skin healing, because I know that normally this thing would take like maybe 2 weeks or 1 week to clear out. But right now, guys, this is basically 3 days or four. This is basically the third day of using glycerin in my routine and on this stuff, and honestly it's already fading out. I wish I took a picture of it so that I will have to put like a before and after picture for you guys. Glycerin is going to help speed up your healing process. So if you have any scar on your skin, this is going to help with that. Now, I know some of you would want to ask, Judy, is it suitable for all skin types? Can a dark person, fair person, or chocolate person use it? See, it's suitable for all complexions and skin type. You can use or incorporate this into your routine to achieve a smooth, beautiful, healthy, glowing skin with no compromised skin barrier. In fact, it also helps with dark spots. Now, I know some of you would ask, can I use it on both my face and body? Yes, it can be used on both your face and your body, and that's because I've tried it out. The one that comes with a red cap, I actually did not try it out on my face because I had this hot feel with it on my skin the other day, the first day I got it. So this particular one can be applied directly to your face. In fact, I will be showing you the different ways or methods to use this very soon, so stick around. Now let's dive into the different types and which one you should buy. There are three main types of glycerin. The first one is the vegetable glycerin. It's actually the purest form of glycerin. It doesn't contain any form of chemical in it. It's actually like the purest form. That's the USP grade of glycerin, and that's the one you should be buying. Now the second type is the synthetic glycerin, and that's the one that is usually made from petroleum. Just like the name, it's just artificially made. This particular one is the one you should definitely avoid. Like if you see any glycerin that is just labeled glycerin, you need to avoid that. Okay, you need to go for the USP grade if you are trying to buy glycerin. So always look for the one labeled vegetable glycerin, USP grade glycerin. Always ensure you see one of those on the label before buying. Now the third form of glycerin is the animal glycerin. It's not that common. It usually comes from animal fat. So if you're looking to achieve a beautiful, younger, healthy, glowing skin, or get the best benefits and use glycerin on your skin, I would definitely recommend or advise you go for the vegetable glycerin or the USP grade glycerin. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's get into the different methods or how to properly use your glycerin oil to achieve the best result. For those of you that usually apply glycerin directly on your skin without diluting it, you definitely need to stop. Glycerin needs to be diluted before using it on your skin. to avoid reacting or having any form of irritation. Glycerin can feel sticky at times on the skin. When I bought the one with the red cover, that's the vegetable glycerin, the normal one that we all know. When I got that one retails around 700 or 1000 naira. When I got that particular one was very thick. You don't have to apply it directly on your skin because it's going to either irritate your skin or start reacting on your skin. It's even thick to apply on your skin, so your body will definitely get greasy if you apply it directly on your skin. So don't apply glycerin directly on your skin. Now, how do you dilute your glycerin? There are different ways or methods to use or apply your glycerin. The first way to apply or properly use your glycerin is to dilute it with water on your palm and then apply it on your skin. The second method that we all know, now if you're someone like me that loves to use glycerin oil on their face, you can dilute it with your rose water toner or your face toner or even your serum, depending on the one you are going with. Like me, on some days I love to pour some drops of my toner into my palm, then add like a drop or two of my glycerin oil on my palm as well, and then apply it directly to my face. The amount of hydration that gives you is amazing. When you mix this with your face toner, it's going to give you an excellent, smooth, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin that you will love. Now, the third method you can use is to add 2 spoons of this into your bathing water. That's if you're someone that loves to soak your body and achieve a youthful, beautiful, glowing skin. This goes a long way to give you a smooth, soft, tender feel when you're having your shower. Your whole body will feel like you paid for a 5-star spa treatment. I told a friend of mine and my sisters about this. They called me the other day to tell me that their skin have never felt any better. Now, the last method that we all know would be mixing or adding glycerin into your body lotion or cream. Now, I need you to know that you don't need any special body lotion or cream to add this glycerin into. If you're using a brightening cream, a moisturizing cream, a lightening body lotion, whichever body lotion you're using, you can basically add glycerin into it. And this is how to do that. The first method is for those of you that do not like mixing. If you don't like to mix your cream and anything and keep, you can just basically put some amount of your lotion into your palm, add 2 drops of glycerin into your palm as well, and apply it all over your body. Your skin is instantly going to feel smoother, softer, and glowing. You might not even have any need for a body oil again. Now, the next method is to pour your glycerin or mix your glycerin into any body cream that you're using. If you want to add glycerin into your body lotion or cream, if you're someone using a full 400 ml body lotion, you can pour 2 to 3 cups of your glycerin into that body lotion. And if you're someone using like 500 ml body lotion, 2-3 cups is enough. Like 2-3 cups is enough. You don't want to do too much, depending on the consistency of the body lotion you're using, because glycerin can make that lotion become too lightweight. This is one secret product that will ensure your skin becomes more youthful, younger, scar-free, and glowing. Put me anywhere. Like when someone comes in contact with your skin, it will be like they are touching soft loaf. You know how soft a bread used to feel when it's still that very hot. That is exactly how your skin will start feeling when you use this particular glycerin oil in your skincare routine. Don't overmix glycerin into your body lotion. Now, let's recommend some of my favorite glycerin oil because I've actually tried out a few. If you're getting this particular one, this is a Celumination Hydromed glycerin oil, and that is the one I have right here in this video. This is actually my second bottle on this, and it doesn't cost a fortune. It's pretty much affordable. It will give you the smoothest, brightest, youthful, radiant skin you've ever had. Believe me when I say that. Another one I love is the Now Glycerin oil. This one is the USP grade vegetable oil. It can be applied directly on your skin. You can use it any and everywhere on your body. It's also affordable. And lastly, we have the Is Glycerin oil. So if you're trying to order, you can get on Amazon. For those of you in US, UK, or Canada, you can basically get those ones on the Amazon website. So if you're anywhere in Nigeria, you can get this one or go to your nearby pharmacy and ask them for glycerin. There is this one that comes in a blue container, very affordable and equally amazing. There is also the one with a red cover that is very popular and pretty much affordable. So if you're looking for affordable ones, get any of those glycerins and watch how amazing your skin is going to look. So that is practically it on today's video. If you're consistent with this, just give it 2 to 8 weeks max and your skin will practically transform. You will see the transformation. I don't need to say much. If you have used glycerin before or you're currently using glycerin in your skincare routine and mixing it with your cream, let us know your experience in the comment section, because I believe a lot of people would love to know how glycerin works. This is one product that I am not sleeping on and you shouldn't be sleeping on. So go try this out and you will definitely come back and thank me. See, 0.5% of the skin problem you have will go away by using just glycerin in your skincare routine. Just say I told you so. If this video helped you, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this video with someone that you will really love their skin to glow. Subscribe if you haven't, and trust me, we learn a lot of skincare tips and secrets on this channel, so do not miss our weekly draw. In my next video, I think I might give you guys a breakdown of the best brightening and lightening glycerin. Let me know if you would want to see that video. All right, beauties, do take care of yourself. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.